Hey all, Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan is a month of fasting, not the month of ta'am. That's right. So let's eat in moderation. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, Surah Taha, verse number 81, eat and drink, but avoid excess. So my dear sister and brother who are observing, this is a reminder for myself first and then everyone around the world. So inshallah, I'm sharing today a very healthy and nutritious chickpeas and veggie salad recipe, perfect for Ramadan meal. So inshallah, please give this a try and have a blessed Ramadan. Jazakallah khairan for supporting my channel.